Hey, this is Maynard. Thanks for checking out my video. Today we'll do something fun. Just gonna get in and we'll see if we could do a pirate ship with just straight lines. Now this is a fun exercise, especially if just practicing shading and things like that. So I'm gonna just start really quick, nice and easy. Straight lines across. This is just really just straight lines, so we're just using the texture, light and dark, and then from here let's just continue. We're just going to do that straight line pattern. Okay, so we can see that here we're starting to get a shape a little bit. So I'm going to come in this section just a little bit lighter, straight lines, and we're going to stagger slightly in. Then you can just start cutting those down a little bit. And up here, let's just nice and easy start doing a shape like that. We come back over it with some lines too to give it a little extra texture. So you can see very faint, we start to get a picture of the boat. All right, let me zoom out a touch. From here, let's just get right into the middle section. We're gonna just do straight lines. We'll go straight down. Ready? One, two, three, I think maybe four. Okay, so pretty straightforward so far. Let's just start to cut that across now. So I want to do one, two, come down in here. Let's call it one, two, just to get our setup. And I'm not worried about symmetry and perfect lines and everything. This really is just to kind of loosely get in and just see what, if we can get an image of, could be a ship. So from here, just with what we're looking at, then we'll come in with some sails. I'm gonna just extend these out a touch, but we can just bring it down, something like that. Come right across this side, bring it down, just come right across. And up here, you can see just adding a very slight angles to it, but I'm not too worried about it. And that's okay if there's overlap. We can always just, come back in. Go big up here. And this is really just shapes right now is all we're doing. So just getting a really rough outline of the ship. And then we'll have something coming off the front here. Kind of cool. Do different variations, of course. But ultimately what we did pretty quick here is just using shapes, straight lines. We have created a rough outline of pirate ship. here, I'm just gonna start darkening some areas up, just making it a little bit on the, you know, little edgier side, I think. Uh, just come in with some sharper lines, these sections. Do some cool stuff. And it's really just that exercise with feeling the charcoal pencil and just certain areas harder texture, certain areas lighter texture. So you can see just going right across that, and it almost gives us the shape of lines of the wood. Take it one step further, just add these kind of lines that wrap. Pretty cool, just gives it a nice effect. Um, all right, so far we did all of this. This is really just very quick, just a fun exercise, showing us how we can get the outline pretty quick. And then from here, we can, if we wanted to start giving it some of our own, your own personalities, or, maybe we'll make it a little darker, creepier. That's where we can really have some fun. So that's where I'm gonna come in and just start accentuating some of these corners to really get it dark. Just to, up here where we originally overlapped, just gonna really start to hit that darker. So you can see just by doing that, we start to give it a little bit more style. And primarily, this has just all been straight lines so far. Yeah, so just really coming in straight lines. Start to exaggerate some of these edges a little bit. Come into the big section here. Same thing, just gonna really start to add some color to those sails. And again, it's not worried too much about perfect symmetry or right now or exactly full setup. It's really just getting a cool, having fun, just getting a cool outline to then come in and really start to add more. Whatever texture or lines you want to do, you can kind of throw that in, just give it some different dynamics. And open this up a little bit further. Maybe that's going to be bigger, this middle section. All right, so you can definitely see it starts to take some shape, and And then another thing we can do that's kind of cool here is just start connecting, which almost would be lines, ropes, lines, all kinds of stuff. Just extend it down. It gives it a cool, really cool effect. Start giving it some different textures on the body. All right, so yeah, definitely just, just having fun with it. Add a little extra back in here. Extend that out a little bit. All right. And then really just get in with some cross lines, get some waves action going. And this is, again, we're just coming in with nice and easy lines, sharp lines, maybe a little bit more extension here coming off. Just throw that. Just really just having fun with that, using those lines, kind of give it a cool vibe, feel like it's coming in off of rough seas or something. Right, so you can see that it got a cool looking piece, and then because it's an old, weathered, gnarly looking, you can really just take a lot of freedom too with that and just start adding, more lines, more cuts, give it a kind of cool, weathered look, maybe shape, turn these out a little bit, slightly. Do some kind of cool stuff like that. Just as this ship, it's like a ghost ship or something. It'd be cool. And again, most important is just having fun with it, and just that's all. Seeing where it goes, getting some different ideas going. All right, so yeah, it's a little like a tattoo. So at this point, you know, we have it pretty pretty good shape. You know, you can mess around, do some different textures to the sails that could kind of give it a different vibe too. Go straight down a little bit. It's like weathered, really gnarly. Some areas darker than others, of course. All right. So yeah, this is definitely a fun piece here. Just really to exercise to show you can do a lot of different things just with the charcoal and quick way to get in, have fun, do a pirate ship, and then just gonna do one final thing here just to give it a little extra. You know, we could come off the back here and let's just try to work something in that looks a little crazy. Maybe get a skull coming off there. If you've seen any of my other pirate paintings or with pastel, you know, you'll see this similar vibe. Perhaps it's just working right into the side. So you can do a lot. Thank you so much. This is Main Art. I invite you to check out my other videos and subscribe as well if you like this type of stuff. And definitely keep drawing. Thank you and take care.